I'm Ed Crooks. I'm an artist and an architectural designer, and I'm very fortunate to have been commissioned by the National Trust to work here at Castle Drogo on a very exciting new exhibition called Holding Up. So the installation is a series of large architectural elements compressed and collided within the library. These fragments are imagined as the foundations holding up a new huge tower above Castle Drogo, and everything that you see here are kind of the staircases, the columns, the walls, which are all needed to support this structure. The design of this is really a way of exploring the architecture of the castle itself. So each element is informed by a moment of adaptation or illusion that I discovered during my time here.
Lift up. Right, stay there for a second.
The exhibition really aims to further the rich spirit of change and adaptation that's taken place at Castle Drogo. And left to the visitor's imagination, I really hope it provides a new way of looking at the castle through the lens of myth-making, fabrication and speculation from which this amazing building was first conceived.
You think we'd take on a project like this again so easily? I just said, yeah. Yeah. There's nothing I want to just specialise in. No. I like leaving it to them.